Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adinda Tirwayuni from Digital Office Administrasi Study Program. Today, I will present my work report on my placement at the Tennis Stadium Unit Marketing Fasilitasi Division of the Pusat Pengelolaan Komplek Gelora Bung Karno or PPK GBK. In this presentation, I will discuss several case points, namely background, internship schedule, company profile, business form and type, vision, mission, and corporate culture, job description, scope of work, obstacle and solution, conclusion, suggestion, and documentation. Okay, next let's move on the background. Fieldwork practice or PKL is an activity that aims to provide real-world experience to students through the application of knowledge that has been learned during lecture, especially in the field of office administration. The on-the-job training was held at the PPK GBK Tennis Stadium Unit to gain a first-hand understanding of the administrative process involved in facilitating here, document management, correspondence recording, and the data collection and summarization of the stadium operational activity. Next objective is this internship program is to apply administration knowledge in the workplace, understand stadium rental administration process, improve document and data management skill, and develop attitude such as assurance and responsibility. Next benefit this internship program is to gain work experience, improve administrative and communication skill, and understand how government institutions operate.
Okay, next internship schedule period January 5, 2026 to June 5, 2026. Working days Monday, Friday. Work from office. Working hours Monday, Thursday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and Friday 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.
Next, company profile. Institute name, Pusat Pengelolaan Komplek Gelora Bung Karno. Address, Pintu 1 Senayan Street, RT1, RW3, Gelora Village, Tanah Abang District, Sentral Jakarta, DKI Jakarta. Website, https gbk id. Okay, next, business form and type. PPK GBK or Pusat Pengelolaan Komplek Gelora Bung Karno is a public service agency blue under the Ministry of the State Secretariat that manage the GBK area asing funding from the state budget and its own revenue. Its business activity including the management of sport facility and organization of event, the development of the area as destination for sport, tourism, and public space, the management of commercial asset through leasing and partnership with the private sector, as well the provision of sport service such as facility maintenance, security, and environmental management of the area. Next, vision, mission, corporate culture. Vision, PPK GBK to become a world-class, integrated, modern, and environmentally friendly sport complex. Mission 1. Provide excellent service through creation optimization. 2. Develop area potential to increase revenue and independence. 3. Maintain international standard facility while present Harriet. 4. Implement good governance to support development. And culture, PPK GBK, integrity, good governance, continuous learning, creativity, teamwork, and customer satisfaction. Okay, next, job description. Interns are assigned to the stadium unit, which is responsible for managing the understand of facility booking, handling event documentation, and recording correspondence and operational data for the stadium. This unit also plays a role in supporting the organization of activities and event-based managing book schedule, preparing administrative documents, and coordinating activity to ensure they run smoothly, effectively, and in an organized manner, thereby supporting the smooth operation of the complex. Okay. Scope of work. 1. Preparation of a stadium here permit. The process of using a permit begins with receiving the rental invoice, recording in the outgoing correspondence register, collection supporting document, ID card, and tax identification number, making copy and then drafting the letter. Job analyze. This process involves processing rental data based on invoice and supporting documents such as ID cards and tax identification number, checking the completion of data and making necessary adjustment and preparing the stadium rental permit. In line with modern administrative principles, security document management form part the information management function of the ensure the accuracy and reliability of data. It is essentially for minimizing the risk of administrative errors and supporting the effectiveness and smooth running of operational process. Next, management of technical meetings or TM. The management of technical meetings involves drafting a memorandum as an activities to the technical meeting, preparing draft minutes of the meeting, attending the technical meeting, and filling the sign-in minutes. Job analyze. This activity include drafting memorandum as meeting invitation, preparing draft minutes, and recording the process of technical meeting through the finalization of the meeting minutes. In line with administrative principle, the activity from part information management, the assurance of recording keeping. clarity of information and effective communication, systematic meeting, document facilitation, coordination, and enhance work efficiency as information can be returned quickly and assuranceable. Next, correspondent record keeping. The process of recording correspondent begins with receiving the outgoing document to be recorded, such as rental invoice, memorandum, and general outgoing letters, as recorded manually, entering this document into the ledger and ensuring that the documentation matches the record data. Job analyze. This activity involves manually recording outgoing correspondent in a logbook, including rental invoice, memorandum, and other letters. In accordance with the principle of office administration, this activity forms part of the document recording and control function, ensuring that records are organized in an orderly manner and are easily traceable. The application of the principle of assurance and order lines in correspondent management help to support operational and improve the management of organizational information. And the last, collection and completion of rental data. The collection and collation of booking data begins by accessing the GBK e-booking system, viewing the book detail in the schedule menu, and then manually recording the book detail in a book. Job analyze. The activity involves accessing data via the e-booking system and manually recording rental data in administrative leaders. In line with modern administrative principle, data management from part of the information management function, ensuring the data organized system assuredly, and is a way that facilitates the use of digital system in data management help to improve work efficiency, speed up access to information, and minimize the risk of recording error in administrative activities. Okay, next obstacle and next obstacle and solution. Obstacle during the work placement, the challenge and suited relate to data and document management, which was still carried out manually and had not yet been integrated. As a result, parents had to re-enter recording from the e-booking system into a physical logbook. Furthermore, the process of returning data was influenced as it had been carried out manually as in physical document, which did not facilitate easy access to information or support or as office and solution to address this challenge. The intern proposed the implementation of a digital administration system integrated with a booking via cloud-based database to record the duplicate data entry. In addition, an ARSIP system will be implemented through document digitalization, alongside the development of a rental monitoring dashboard to facilitate data rental and management. The implementation of this system is expected to improve work efficiency, speed up access to information, and minimize administration error. And next, conclusion. The work placement at the PPK GBK Teknik Stadium Unit provide hands-on experience in rental administration, including the preparation of permit, document management, correspondent recording, rental data collection, and technical meeting. This activity help the trainee understand the practical administrative process with the workplace, whilst enhancing their skill in data and document management. Furthermore, this work placement also foster attention to detail, a sense of responsibility, and a methodical approach to work, thereby supporting the smooth running of administration operation. Next, suggestion. To pengelolaan Komplek Gelora Bung Karno, integrate e-booking with digital archiving system as cloud-based database, implementation barcode or QR code for document tracking, and develop rental monitoring dashboard. And to Universitas Negeri Jakarta, strength digital administration system learning, provide practical internship preparation, and expand partnership with technology-based institution. And then of documentation. Okay, that's all from me. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.